Today, I'm making one of my favorite summer salads. We're headed over to some friends for an early 4th of July get-together today, and I'm making corn salad. But I have a special secret ingredient you might not expect in your average corn salad. Hi, my name's Laura, and I hope you'll make yourself at home while I make corn salad. I'm going to begin by taking an 8-ounce block of cheddar cheese and grating it. You don't have to grate it yourself, but I just do this because it's my personal preference. You can always take the shortcut of buying your cheese already shredded. Okay, I've got this all grated. I'm going to set this aside and get to work on my vegetables. I've got one red bell pepper that I'm going to dice up. You could really use any color pepper that you prefer. I think my original recipe called for a green one, but it really doesn't make any difference. Okay, this recipe comes together so quick and easy, it's almost mind-blowing. The chopping of the veggies literally is the hardest part about this, and there's only a couple things to chop. If you buy your cheese already shredded, you probably cut your prep time in half. So you just want to dice your veggies, a fairly fine dice. You want it probably about the size of the corn, honestly, so that everything's pretty consistent in this salad. And I have my little assistant, my helper over here, who's going to pitch in.
You want me to throw this in the trash can?
Sure, thank you. And there's one more you can come get. I'm sure you realize not every moment turns out like that, but I will take the win when I get it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Mom, can I have my own cheese?
You want some of that cheese?
Mm-hmm.
Sure. Just a second and I'll get you a little bowl, okay? Now I'm going to cut up some red onion. This one is gigantic. I do not need this. I might use a 1/4 of this. As it turned out, I used about an 1/8 of this red onion. It was so large. I do about a 1/4 cup in this recipe. I could stand more. I love red onion, but I also know everybody else doesn't love it as much as I do. And since I'm taking this for a crowd and sometimes it can be overpowering to people, I want to go a little on the shy side with the onion. And so I end up doing about a 1/4 cup. Okay, I've got my vegetables chopped up. Now I'm ready to put everything together here in my bowl. So I'm going to start with 2 cans of corn. I have drained these completely. Okay, now let's add our veggies. Next, we'll add the cheese that we shredded. And then next, I need 1 cup of mayo. And I'll be honest, I just eyeball this because this is not super precise. This is a salad. We're not baking here. That looks pretty good to start with. If I need to add a little more, I will. But let's give this a stir. We have one thing we'll add at the end right before we serve this, but we don't add any seasonings to this because our secret ingredient at the end is going to provide all of the seasonings we need. You'll see that in just a minute. Okay, I'm going to get 1 heaping tablespoon and add to it, but I think that's all that it's going to need. I had a little corn at the bottom that was not getting coated, and so I think that's going to do the trick. Okay, this is it for now. I am going to transfer this into the bowl that I want to take with me and serve this in. And then I'll show you the final step. And I don't know how much you can tell in the video, but this bowl is a bit larger than what is needed for just this corn salad. But the reason is, when we get to our party, I will add this entire bag of chili cheese corn chips or chili cheese Fritos. I'm gonna go ahead and crunch these up in the bag so that they're crushed. But at the last minute, right before the meal, I will add these in and stir it into the corn salad. You see here, I'm actually using the generic version, the Kroger brand of chili cheese corn chips. I've never tried them before this, and they were great. Now, I did not eat them on their own. They're just mixed into the salad, and that's part of the reason why I figured I would be safe to use them, since they're mixed in with lots of other ingredients, but they were perfect for this salad. So a lot less money than the name brand, but really good, and would definitely do that again. Okay, all ready to go. I'm gonna get this in the fridge, and then I'll be ready to take this to the party in just a little bit. Okay, we've been enjoying our afternoon with friends, and it's about time to eat. So I'm gonna get these corn chips stirred in and ready to serve this salad. This is always a big hit in a crowd. Everybody always wants to know what's in this. The surprise ingredient, of course, is these chili cheese corn chips. And it's such a unique salad. I really hope you'll give it a try. I think you're gonna love it too. Thank you so much for being with me today and watching. I hope you're having a great summer.